These easy 4th of July white chocolate dipped strawberries are going to be a hit on the 4th. You can use white chocolate chips or the little white chocolate wafers, or almond bark is what I'll be using. And you can find these sprinkles at Hobby Lobby, but there are other blue sugars and things that you can purchase at your market. We'll use a little bit of Crisco and then of course the strawberries, and you want to choose them so they're nice and firm with no dark spots on them. I'm going to put all my strawberries on a cookie sheet after I dip them. So I'm going to line that with parchment paper so they don't stick to the surface of the pan. I'm going to use a double boiler to melt my white chocolate in. A double boiler is a small pan and you put some water in the bottom, and then it has a second little pan that sits on top, and it will melt your chocolate without scorching it. You can also do this in the microwave by putting your white chocolate in for 30 seconds first, and then stir each time you check it, and just keep adding 20 seconds until it's fully melted. You don't want to go too long. It'll dry out and it can also scorch. Okay, I'm going to go upstairs, put this on a burner and melt it. I'll be right back. It's thundering in the background, so you might be hearing that on my video today. So my white chocolate is melted, and it will stay melted because of the hot water underneath in the pan, which is nice with the double boiler. And I have my sprinkles in my container, and I had some other sprinkles I found that are blue with little silver dots, which is kind of fun, and my strawberries. So this is my little assembly line. So I take my strawberry and I'm going to dip it about 2/3 of the way down into the white chocolate, let it drip. I'm holding it by the green on the top, and then I'm going to roll it in sprinkles and set it on the paper. Just grab the strawberry by the greens, give it a dip. Oops. Let the extra chocolate come off and lay it in the sprinkles. Rinse and repeat until you have all of them done. I have all my strawberries done, and I still have lots of chocolate left. I could make many more strawberries, or I could have used less chocolate. Isn't that beautiful? I'm going to let these cool. I might even set them in the refrigerator, and I'll be right back. I almost forgot to mention that you can drizzle a little extra chocolate over the top of these from your fork if you'd like. These should last about 3 days in the refrigerator. So we're going to set those on a plate now. If these are going to set for very long, it's nice to have little paper containers that they can go in. But you do not have to have this. They can sit directly on the plate. Don't those look nice? The kids are going to love them. These easy 4th of July white chocolate dipped strawberries can be made in minutes and are a firecracker good snack to pop in your mouth. Everyone loves sprinkles. For more 4th of July ideas and crafts, come on over to welcometananas.com and join the fun.